We'll just launch straight into how you use the tool. In order to get a rarity rank for your NFT, first thing to do is follow WeGo Battle. So the whole point of this tool is to support our upcoming WeGo Battle NFT game tools, etc. And this is the first of the tools that are being rolled out in response to getting 50K followers on the WeGo Battle.
Yeah.
So the tool will not work if you're not following WeGo Battle. So step one, follow WeGo Battle. Step two is follow WeGo NFT. Now the tool will work, but what might happen is, depending on your privacy settings, you might not see the reply. It might go somewhere you may not see it. So just to make it easier, go ahead and follow WeGo NFT. And then if you come to this account, you can see all of the rank requests that people have already made. So if you click on profile, tweets, and replies, you can see everything that's gone on. So you see some tests here. Somebody requested a rank of this NFT, which was unrevealed. That's why it's got this generic picture. And I'll admit that unrevealed or revealing collections can cause havoc with the ranks. So in this particular case, I think this means that they're all 4,000 of these are ranked number one because they're all tied. They all have the exact same traits. So just be aware that when you're requesting collections that are in the middle of revealing, you might get wonky results. But as we go down here, other responses that you'll get, this particular one hadn't been ranked yet. So the request came in and then the reply came back. Collection is processing. Your reply will send when finished. And I thought I had this dialed in 100%. Apparently it doesn't always send the reply when it's finished. So I'll figure that out soon enough. But here we are. Here's one that he requested ranking for the WeGo pod, and this is the response he gets. So it tells you the rarity rank is 398 out of 1,001. So that means there's 1,001 NFTs in this collection. This one's ranked 398th. The rarest trait, remember there were 6 traits for these NFTs, is the Thug Nugget. So you see him there with the gold chain. And 24 NFTs in the collection have that trait. In this case, there's still 13 that haven't been show just a blank WeGo logo, and they're not rankable until they've been revealed and we can get their properties. So we'll eventually get back around to that once those things are revealed. So we added this because some folks are interested in particular traits. Let's say I've got some
like gold, Dr. Toeconomian.
Well, yeah, if you want gold items, and certainly that's a trait you're interested in. But cowboy hats, I've been collecting some NFTs that focus on cowboy hats out of the collection. And so there's entire niche markets that are only interested in that one trait of the whole collection. In any case, you can browse through the entire history of what people have requested, what those ranks were, and you can do whatever you want with that information. It could be for entertainment purposes. It could be for gathering information on what's coming out or what other people are collecting. So let me go through how you actually use it. So once we followed WeGo NFT, we follow WeGo Battle. You can also join us on Discord, of course. But to use the tool, you click on your tweet, and we mention WeGo NFT like so, and we type the command bang rank. Now I'm going to pause here for a second because this confuses quite a few people. You have to include this exactly as I've written it. So the exclamation point and the word rank, and please put a space after it, So that tells the tool that you want to get a rank on the thing. We're looking at the URL. We need this URL to go onto the tweet. So we go NFT. I've typed this about 8,000 times now. Rank, bang rank, and then paste the URL to the thing you're interested in. I'm not going to send it from this account. I've got 2 different Twitter accounts open right now. The WeGo account doesn't recognize its own requests. So I'm going to go over here to my other account real fast, and I'm going to send an actual tweet, and you'll see the response come. So here in notifications, in fact, we see Joe Graber 2 minutes ago requested this one. So when I send a tweet here, it'll show up in these notifications.
And just a real quick reminder of what he's saying specifically. Tweet it from your own account. You don't have to go to their account. Tweet it from your own Twitter account.
Correct. So this is the one I just sent. So at Robert Jeffs, I sent this request, and then if we look in tweets and replies,
so here's days it's going to be streaming. It's going to be moving fast, just like the Discord was.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. So here's the reply. So here's my request, and then the reply comes back. Rarity rank 569 of 1001. So that's the entirety of how this tool works. And again, it's free for the entire NFT community, the wider crypto community, and really the entire world. So this is out there. It's available, and remember, tip your mad scientist next time you see one.